Hello guys, in this video you'll be watching the trade that I have taken on Friday, that's on 7th of July. So friends, I made 1 lakh of profit here, and you know that since it is Friday, I focused more on Finnifty because the premiums are really less on Fridays in Finnifty, and as a result the turnover charges will also be really less. So I just tried Finnifty today and I made 1 lakh profit. Okay, so I'll be discussing the turnover charges, the STT, the stamp duty, everything, all the charges which I need to pay at the end of this video with the help of the virtual contract note. And there you can see the turnover charge which I need to pay is just 1000 rupees and my profit is 1 lakh. So it's just 1% of my profit. Okay, so I'll be discussing that also in this video. And other than Finnifty trade, I have experimented Sensex also. So you'll be watching that too in this video. Okay, so friends, now please watch the video. Hello guys, so it's Friday, so you can expect what I would have traded today. I have traded Finnifty. You can see here I made a profit of 1,03,000, but you can see the total profit is 98,000. That is because it is Friday and Sensex expiry. So I made a small attempt and experiment to trade on Sensex, but I eventually entered into loss. A small loss, which is something very much affordable. In fact, it was an attempt, just an experiment. So I decided that I'm okay to lose that when I entered into that trade. So I just tried a zero trade only, but I made a mistake. I'll just show you what I did. I'll just show you the orders. If you look at these orders, you'll be wondering. So I bought this at 7.89. Okay, 7 rupee. I bought 1000 quantities. So the moment I bought it, I made my mind in such a way that I'm willing to lose it. Okay, lose this entire money. So this 7,000 will be a loss. So I'm okay to lose that. But then what I did is I just kept a stop loss at 2 rupees here. And you can see here that stop loss got triggered. Okay. And what I saved here is just that 2,000 rupees. Okay. And then do you want to see what happened after this? So I took this trade. I had a negative view. So you can see here it's a PE trade. I was expecting a big fall, so I took a PE. But sometimes our ego may hit us, and so that we don't want to make this premium to go zero as an option buyer. Okay, so I bought something, and if it goes to zero and we are holding it, we may not, we may feel very bad about ourselves. So I exited at rupees 2, and so I lost 5,000 because of the small trade. But if you want to see where it went, let me show you that. This is 65,300 PE. Now let's look at this 65,300 PE here. Just look at this. So 65,300 PE is what you can see here. Now it came down. I bought it at 7 rupees and it took my stop loss. You can see here it came to 80 paisa, and from here it just gave a massive bounce to 60 rupees. Okay. So this is the high which is paid. So it came to 1 rupee. Close to 1 rupee. It took my stop loss at 2 rupees and then it came to 1 rupee and then went to 60 paisa and then it closed at 23. So even if I was leaving it open, I would have tripled there. So I considered Hero Zero was true, but only thing is that I should not have tried to save this 2,000. Okay, that was a mistake I did. So guys, now most of you have asked me that how much will be the charges to make 1 lakh rupees. Okay, so let me explain that. Now we have this feature of contract note here. So you can see here 98,000, close to 1 lakh is the profit. Now let's look at the charges. Now guys, even if I open this and show you, still people will tell that it is a clone app and this is a Photoshop or other things, because I used to get those comments. That's why I'm saying this again and again. Now I can download these orders completely and I can give you in the description. But still some scammers are there and they may have some vested interest, and some coaching institute people will come and they used to say that it's fake and other things. So just to ignore all those unnecessary comments and not giving this. But if you want, I can give that. You please let me know that. Okay, so now let me show you the contract. Okay, let's look at this. You can see the brokerage 400. So 20 trades multiplied by 20, 400. And the securities transaction charge 221. Then exchange turnover charge 299. And stamp duty 9 rupees. You can see the exchange turnover charge is the maximum. That is the reason why I trade in Finnifty on Fridays. If you see, if you're trading in Bank Nifty, the premiums are higher, isn't it? The premiums are in the range of 400. Now, when you're trading 400 and this much quantity, what's the problem? Problem will be the turnover charge. That will be very huge. Per 10 lakh turnover, we need to pay 1000 rupees almost. So if you see, I'm trading a premium with 22. But instead, if I'm looking at, let's look at this 45,000 PE Bank Nifty. If you're trading Bank Nifty PE trade today, look at this around 300 minimum. At least this we need to trade, isn't it? So 300 we need to pay. 300 is around 15 times of this. So what premium am I trading is 22 rupees, and at what premium we are supposed to trade if we are trading in Bank Nifty is 300. So it is 15 times. So imagine the turnover charges. So that's the reason why on Fridays I prefer, and I trade only towards the end of market hours on Fridays. I know I can make money during that last moment move. So I hope you got the logic why I trade Finnifty. The reason is turnover charges, and the move also you'll get a decent move in Finnifty now. And about move, we got decent move in Finnifty also nowadays because a lot of volume is coming, and so there is no issue. And next week onwards, I'll try to experiment Sensex because I have seen this potential. So I don't want to leave this guy now. So I have to work on it. I have to do my experiment. I have to work a lot on it. I have to see whether my indicators are working for this. So I'll do small trades initially and I'll update you from next week. If it is working out, then Sensex is what we can try on Fridays, and on Mondays and Tuesdays we can try for Finnifty, and then Wednesdays and Thursdays Bank Nifty. So every day is fixed now. So we get 3 expiries. That's on Friday we can deal with Sensex, then Tuesday Finnifty, Thursday Bank Nifty. So guys, I hope that you got the logic. Now I'll explain the trade opportunities. Okay. Also, if you see, in the morning, I did not take much trades, but in the morning, there were some good opportunities, but I didn't take trade. And now, please don't tell that I have traded in Finnifty and I'm explaining the Bank Nifty. Please understand that it's all about basic understanding and basic knowledge, because Finnifty moves are more or less similar to Bank Nifty. And 99% the moves in Bank Nifty and Finnifty coincides. And in Finnifty, the chances of moving against Bank Nifty is very, very less. Because majority of the components in Finnifty is directly derived from Bank Nifty, except this Bajaj Finance Limited and other things. So Finnifty will never move against Bank Nifty. Okay, so understand that first. Nifty and Bank Nifty may go reverse, because if you see Reliance and if you see TCS etc., these are the parts of Nifty, but they have nothing to do with Bank Nifty. So Nifty may move against Bank Nifty, but Finnifty will never move against Bank Nifty. So even if you look at the Bank Nifty chart, you can trade Finnifty. Okay, so I know there are many of my friends who don't even look at the charts and trade and make profits. So please don't repeat those comments. Or please don't say that I explained Finnifty looking at Bank Nifty chart. I hope you got it. Okay, guys. So that is the logic. And now apart from that, what I show you is Bank Nifty, and I'm explaining Bank Nifty trades here. I'm not explaining what the trades that I have taken and other things. It's already done. I'm going to explain you the trade opportunities here. As I have some expertise in Bank Nifty, I'm explaining with that. Okay. Because I used to explain Bank Nifty before and I'm continuing with that. But at the same time, I watch the chart of Finnifty. I watch a chart of Nifty. I keep watching open interest of all. I keep watching world market charts, DAX, Dow, Nikkei. Okay. So I watch all these. I watch the open strike price chart in Finnifty, Bank Nifty and Nifty and all. And then I make decision. And you guys are seeing just one screen. I'm sitting with 4 screens, watching multiple charts. But what you see is just this screen. But sharing only one screen is possible, guys. You know that. So I'm sharing Bank Nifty, but the trade is obviously Finnifty. I really don't know. It's very difficult to convince to everyone. If 1% of you can understand that, that's enough for me. Okay. So now I'll show you the screen. So this is the Bank Nifty chart. And I've taken trade in Finnifty because I have many reasons for that. I can look at the Bank Nifty and I can trade Finnifty. I can even trade Finnifty without looking at the chart also. Okay, knowing the direction. Okay, so guys, as a premium, I'm trading is just 10 rupees. So I'm not going to lose much when I'm buying it. It's a zero trade action, but I'm buying it. And you can see I'm buying it for rupees 12 and I'm doubling it. If you see here, I'm selling it at rupees 24. So on a Friday, it's a zero trade action. But something which we bought at 12 rupees and we sold for 24. So we doubled it. So how much I'm going to lose? I'm going to lose just 12 rupees maximum. Will I lose it today? No. Will I lose it on Monday? No. It will expire on Tuesday only. So I have 3 days to lose, but I gained it today itself. doubled. Understand, there should be some logic for doing all these things. So the logic is very clear and no one will explain you the way I have done. Even if you attend so many coaching, no one will tell you the reason to trade in Finnifty on Fridays, and no one will show you these kind of orders and trades and their contracts. Never like the way I do with this kind of transparency. Okay, so I hope you got some logic here. So this is that logic behind trading Finnifty. Now coming to the chart, if you look at this, very simple, 200 moving average. Took the first trade, open below 200 moving average. Once we got a bounce, shorted here because we have Cambrilla S3 also. So this is going to act as a very good rejection, and towards the end, this is a hero zero trade. So here, rejection from this level. So this is the hero zero trade. So here, rejection from this level. So that is where Sensex also made that big move, and they got a big move in Bank Nifty as well. Bank Nifty as well as Finnifty. So this is the Bank Nifty chart. I'm explaining Bank Nifty trades. Even the same trades will work for Finnifty also. You can see here I have taken, because Bank Nifty is going down. Finnifty will never go up. Please don't tell that you look at Bank Nifty and trading in Finnifty. Please don't make that comment. So I have my own logic for that. So please understand the majority components in Bank Nifty comes in Finnifty also. So Bank Nifty, it is falling from here, and I know that there is a rejection level at Bank Nifty. So I can simply, without looking the Finnifty chart also, I can take trades in Finnifty. Okay, by looking at this. So I made a profit there and I doubled it. So instead of looking at Finnifty chart, and by that time we can trade and double it. Okay, so what's a problem in that? Okay guys, this is the trade that was available in the morning, and I won't trade on Fridays because the premium is so high. I told you I want to bring down the turnover charges. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.